It's possible to get recording of last week, like the one where we learned database.
Sorry,
Is it possible to get um, recording for the last two sessions?
I think I have already provided you.
File record.
Actually, I have already provided to Guru School.
Okay. Where see it? Because I on the WhatsApp group I do not see it. Where do you share it?
Okay, I will check it. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay. So now we are going to start the commands of SQLs. Okay. So SQL provide different types of commands like DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, TQL. Okay. In DDL, data definition language, there are following commands like create, alter, truncate, rename, drop. These are the different commands of DDL data definition language. If we want to perform any operation on the schema, on the table, so we use DDL commands like create, alter, truncate, rename, drop. If you want to create a new table, if you want to create a new user, we use create. We want to create, and if you want to modify in the schema in the table, so we use alter. If you want to delete the records of the table, we use truncate. If we want to change the name of the table, so we use rename. If you want to delete the table, we use drop. DML, data definition language, sorry, data manipulation language like insert, update, delete. Insert, if you want to add a new report in the table, we use insert. Update, if you want to modify any already existing report. Delete, if you want to delete the record of table, so we use delete command. DCL, data control language, grant, and revoke. These are the DCL command, data control language, TCL, transaction control language, like commit, rollback, save point. So these are the uh, transaction control language, commit, rollback, save point, and DQL, select. Okay. So these are the commands of SQL. The SQL provided this command, and we will perform different types of operation. Okay. So we will learn one by one.
What's the full form of DQF?
DQL, data control language.
Data control language. Okay.
Data control language,
The
transaction control language, data query language.
well query language. Inventory.
Okay. Now, so open your SQL. After that, we can connect with SQL. Type connect. By default, I'm using Oracle. So by default, username is system and password. You can input your password and it will connect with SQL. Okay. Suppose we want to create a new user and all work we want to perform in the new user. So here we, we use create user and specify username like guru. After that, we can specify password. Create user and press enter. So, oh, guru is already exist. So we can specify here. Create user school identified by 1234. School is the username and 1234 is the password of new user. Okay, user created. After that, we can specify the privilege to this new user. So for this purpose, grant all okay. If you want to specify the all privilege to school username, new username, so here specify grant all and privilege to school. School is a username. Press enter, grant succeeded. So here you can say the create. Create is a DDL command, data definition language, and grant is a DCL command, data control language. Okay, through the grant, we can specify the privilege to user. Okay, so these are commands for new user. If you want to create a new user, so we use the syntax create user. You can specify a new username identified by, yeah, here you can specify the password. Okay, after that, give the privilege to new user. So grant all privilege to school. School is a new username. Press enter, grant succeed. Okay, here I am passing you. These are the commands to connect with SQL. First of all, connect. After they put the username and password, it will show connected. After that, we can create a new user and specify the credential. Now, now we can enter, we can connect with a new user. Connect. No, sorry. New user name is school.
Did you show earlier how to connect to database?
Yes.
Because I may have missed it.
Type
Did you
here comment,
download
connect.
SQL? Okay.
Type here school. This is a new username. After that, specify the password. and press enter. Okay. So this command, to this command, we can display the all table list. But this is a new user, so this is empty. Okay. So suppose we want to create a new table. So we have a command, DDL, data definition language, that is a create table, and we can give the a table name. Like suppose imply. Here we can specify the column name like AMPID, integer, rename, var_char2, okay. So if we want to create a new table, we have a command create table and specify a new table name like imply. Okay. After that, specify the columns. Like here, I have declared EMP Here we can put the employee ID, and in employee ID we can input the integer value. So here we can specify the data type. This is a int. EMP name, employee name, it would be in a string format. So here we use var_char2, and 10 means we can store 10 character name, maximum 10 character name. Basic would be in uh, decimal values also. So here we declare number, and number of digit we can use 10 and 2 with 2 decimal place. After that, close the bracket and choose semicolon, press enter. Table created. Okay. If you want to display this schema, so for this purpose we have a command tsc imply. Okay. If we want to insert the values in this table, so insert into imply values 1 and decimal values basic, suppose. Okay, same as we can input multiple values. Okay, so this is a DML command, means data manipulation commands. This is insert command. To the insert command, we can insert the values in the table. Okay, here this is a data definition language command, DDL command. Create table. Through the create table, we can create a new table. Data definition language. And if you want to show the table, a structure of table, a schema of table, so we can use DESC. It will describe the your table content. This is insert command. TML. Through this command, we can insert the value, the table. After that, commit. If you want to save this record permanently in the table, so we use commit. And commit is a TCL command, data control language. Okay. If you want to show the all records, so we use select star from imply. Okay. Imply is a table name. Select is a data query language. This star represents the all columns of your table from. This is a table name imply. Press enter. It will show the all records of your table. Okay. Understood? Hello.
Maria, can you hear me?
Sorry.
Can you hear me?
Hello. Any doubt, any queries?
All is good. Yeah. Query, sir. Thank you. Sir?
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's
I
okay.
can't hear you. Oh, yeah, it is.
Okay. Suppose we want to modify in this table. So we use alter command. Alter command is also a DDL command, data definition language. Alter table, table name, like, and suppose we want to add a new column. So use add column. Suppose here city and city and specify the data type, table alter. Okay, so if you want to add a new column in this table, so we can use alter table imply add city. Here you specify the data type. Here you can specify the name of column and data type of a column. Press enter. So through this we can add a new column in the table. Okay, you can see this. Okay. If you want to change the data type of uh, this new column, so we can use alter command city alter table imply modify column name is a city, and suppose I declare int. Okay, table alter. Okay, here you can see this city varchar to now is a integer. Only integer value we can add in the city. If you want to modify the data type of any column, so we use alter command, alter table, table name, modify column name and specify the new data type. Okay. If you want to delete new table, new column, so for this purpose, we use alter command. And here we use drop. Drop column and column name is city. Enter. Okay. You can see this. City column has deleted. Okay. Now I'm going to add a city column. Okay. So DSC imply. So if you want to add new column, we use add and column name. If you want to change the data type of a column, so we use modify. If you want to delete the new column, so we use drop. So here, suppose here we have added a new column, city, and show the records of the okay. City is empty because it's a new column. So we want to add new record in data in city. So we use update command. Update is a data manipulation language. Here you can see this. Update. With the help of update, we can modify the already exist record. Update table name is a imply and set. City is equal to sorry. Here I have declared here you can see this. City is equal to New Delhi. All records updated with New Delhi records. But it is not mandatory all members belong to same city. For this purpose, we use again update command and he specify here where EMP ID is equal to 101. Here we can specify the command condition like EMP ID 101. Okay. Press enter. So you can change it. Updated one record. Okay, you can see this now. One record, first record, they belong to New York. Same as we can suppose we want to change this. Here employee ID is 102. Change updated record. Okay. Same as we can change. Okay. Okay. So with the help of update count, we can modify any records that is already exists in your table. Okay. Jitika, it's okay.
Sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
Sir.
It's okay. Hello.
Yes, sir. I can hear you. It is okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, suppose we want to perform any calculation. So we can also perform calculation in this table. So for this purpose, I'm going to add some column in this table. Like suppose here alter table name is implied, add TA number 10 comma 2. Okay, same as HRA. Okay, gross PF net. Okay, now I'm going to from here we have added multiple columns like DA, HRA, gross, PF, and net. Now we want to calculate. We are going to calculate DA, HRA, gross, PF, and net. So for this purpose, we use again update command. Update imply set DA is equal to, suppose we want to set DA 5% of basic or 45% of basic. Okay, press enter, zeros updated, and you can see this. Same as we can add HRA because I want to calculate all the records. So we have not need to specify the condition. Same as HRA gross is equal to basic plus DA plus HRA. Okay. And is a PF is equal to 5% of basic and net is equal to gross minus PF. Okay. Okay. You can see this.
Mhm. Yes.
So we can also perform calculation with the help of update command. Okay. Okay, Ritika, it's okay.
Yes, it is.
So now we have another examples. Search here. Okay. Suppose here you can see this. Suppose we want to create a new table, employee, add employee ID, employee name, and city. Insert the values. Okay, these are the values. Okay, these are the records of employee table. Okay, we can do this simply. Here you can see this. So first of all, I have created table, employee, and through this we can show the all records. And here we are connecting with new user. Create a new table with 3 columns, employee ID, employee name, and city. After that, insert the values. Okay. To the select star from employee, we can display the all records of table. Here, if you want to show only some columns, we have not need the all records, all columns. Here, it's showing the all records. Sorry, all records with all columns. So here, star we are using star asterisk sign. But suppose we want to show only a specific columns. So here we can specify the column like a employee ID, employee city. It will display only the employee ID and city. Here, if you want to show here, you can see the city.
That's the
There are
city.
multiple cities person, New York, New Delhi, Jersey, but we want to
Mhm.
unique record. If you want to access only unique record, so we use distinct city from the employee. It will return unique records of your table. Okay. After that, if you want to specify a particular records, we have not need to show all records. So here
Mhm.
we can specify the condition like you can see this here. Now, first of all, I'm going to delete the other columns. So for this purpose, we will use alter command, alter table, table name is employee, and drop column, column name is DA. Same as we can use HRA, gross, PF, and net. Okay,
So Oracle is not case sensitive,
sorry.
case sensitive because the name of
No,
the
no, no,
column.
no, no. Your
Okay, okay.
commands is not
Mhm.
case sensitive, but your data is sensitive.
Mhm. Okay, data is sensitive. Okay, not the
Okay.
column name, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes, yes.
okay.
Suppose here, uh, we want to show a particular records. Okay. So here we can specify the where city is equal to, okay, it's working. But suppose here we specify new. So data is case sensitive, but your commands, your column names commands are not case sensitive. Okay. So here we can suppose we want to fetch only some records or if to some particular records. So we can specify the condition like here where city is equal to New York. So it will show only the New York City records. Okay. Same as we have declared New Jersey. Okay, no row selected because one records only belong to only one city. It is not possible a person belong to two cities. So it will show no records, no row selected. But if you use or, it will show the records of New York and New Jersey both. Okay. Same as here. Suppose here we use EMP ID is equal to,
It's like if condition, right? Zip condition, correct? Right.
yes, yes, yes.
That is right. Okay.
EMP ID is equal to 103. Okay. So as power need, we can fetch some particular records. Suppose here, select stuff from imply where imply ID is equal to 124. So it will show the 104 imply ID records. Okay. City is equal to New York. Spelling mistake. Okay, city is equal to New York. Imply is equal to Ajay. So it will show only the Ajay records. If here we have declared imply ID 103 and city is equal to New Delhi. No row selected. Because 103 is belong to New Jersey. Okay, not New Delhi. So it will show no row selected. Okay, because 103 is belong to New Jersey. Condition false. City is not equal to New Delhi. After that, implied is 102 and city is New Delhi. Condition match. 102, New Delhi. It return the records. These records, implied is 102 and implied is 104. So one imply have two imply ID. It's not possible. So it will show no row selected. But if here we declare as imply ID is greater equal to 102 and less than 105, then it will show from 101 to 105. You can see this 101 to 102 to 105. We can specify the range from 102 to 105. Here, if you are declare 102 to our imply ID is equal to 105, it will show only the two record 101 and 105. Here we have declared select star from imply where not employee ID is equal to 2. So it will not show the employee ID 102. Here 101, 103, 104, and 105. If you have declared a delete record, if you want to delete any record, so delete from employee where employee ID is equal to 103. So it will delete the 103, employee ID 103 here. You can see that 103 is not exist. So if you want to delete any record, so we use delete, but must be remember this same as update command. If you will not specify the condition, it will apply on the all records of your table. So if here, if you are not interested to specify the condition, then it will show, it will delete the all records. Yeah, delete from employee. Here we are not specifying the uh, condition, so it will delete the all records.
Is this permanent? Like the deletion? Can we get the data back? But if we delete
Yes,
by
yes, yes.
mistake?
It is not permanent.
Oh,
Okay.
oh.
Select star from employee. It will show no records. After that, insert into employee values 101. Ajay, New York. Then insert the command 101, 103, 104. We are inserting the records because all records are deleted. These are the records. After that, these are the records of table. If you want to delete the all records of your table permanently, we use truncate. We cannot specify any condition with truncate. Okay, specifies only here truncate table and specify table name. It will record the, it will delete record all record of your table always. Okay, we cannot specify, we cannot delete a particular record with the help of truncate. It will delete all record of your table always. You can see this table, truncate, truncate table, apply, table truncated, no row selected. Again, we have need to
Permanent?
insert the values.
Is it permanent deletion of
Yes, yes, yes,
the
yes. Okay, this is add table, fee, then updated, update command, all records updated. If you are, if we will not specify the condition, then it will update all records. These are the aggregate function, sum, average, max, min, count. These are the aggregate function. If you want to perform the calculation on a particular column values, so we use sum. Sum, uh, here you can see this. The value of fee is a 10. Okay, if you want to find the sum of this column, it will show the select sum, specify the column name from employee table name, it will show the 50. Average, AVG, it performs the average. Max, it will return the maximum values, means highest, largest value, highest values. Same as we have a min function, it will return the minimum values. Okay, here, update employee set fee is equal to 50, where employee ID is equal to 103. Means 103, each want to change the value of employee ID as fees as a 50. So you can see this 50. So we can update any value. Okay, fee 5, apply to 105. So as our requirement, we can update the values, max values, min values, count. 5 records, there is a 5 records. So we can use 5. It will show the number of field. Fee is 5. Select count star. It count the number of records. Select star from employee where employee ID is equal to 102 or employee ID is equal to 105 or employee ID is 103. So it will show 105, 102, 105, 103. At the place of this command, here we are using or. Select star from employee where employee ID is equal to 101, 105, 105. At the place of this, we can use in operator 102, 105, 103, and it will show the same output. So at the place of or, we can use in operator here. Okay, same as we can also specify the string like Ajay, Sanjay, Ajit, Ravi. It will show the all records of these members. So here, select star from employee where e name in Ajay, Sanjay, Ajit, Ravi. Same as here. Select star from employee where employee ID in 102, 105, 103, and we can specify any number of values. Here, city, New Delhi, New York, it will return the New York and New Delhi records. Okay. So we can use in operator at the place of or. Okay, same as here. If you want to work on a range, so here employee ID is greater than 103 and employee ID less or equal to 105. So it will show the range from 103 to 105. Okay, so at the place of and this situation, we are using between operator for range
Hmm.
like 103 and 105. It will show from 103 to 105. So
Hmm.
if you want to access a range, so we can use between at the place of and also. Okay.
Mhm.
And if you want just opposite, not between 105 to 105, so it will show only 101, 102. Because here we are using not. Same
Mhm.
as we can use not with in also. You can see the not city, not city, New Delhi, New York. It show in only the it's showing only New Jersey. Between here, where city between New Delhi and New Jersey. We want to show all records between New Delhi to New Jersey of city. So here order by city. Must be arrange the record in city. After that, we can show any string also like New Delhi to New Jersey. But must be use order by city. Okay. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
It's and here.
Yes.
If you want to arrange the record in ascending or descending order, so we use order by.
Mhm.
order by EMP ID. So it will arrange the employee ID in order wise 101, 102, 103, 104, and 105. Okay.
Mm.
Normally it's have no order 101, 103, 104, 105, 102. But if you use order by, so it will arrange the record in order by 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. By default, it will arrange the record in ascending order. But we can also arrange in descending order. So for this purpose, we use DESC. After that, if we want to, by default, it arrange the record in ascending order, but we can also use ASC for ascending order. ASC. It will arrange the record
Mm.
in ascending imply ID as in ascending order. So, but ASC is optional.
Yes, because it's default, right?
No, sorry.
It is default. That's why.
Yes, yeah, but default is SC.
Okay. Okay.
And imply name, suppose you want to arrange the record uh, on the basis of imply name. So here,
Mm-hmm.
order by EMP name ASC. So it will arrange the name in ascending order. Okay. Okay. So I think it is enough. And from here, from these are the constant. So we learn another things in next session. Okay.
So can you show me last time I may have missed the connection Oracle database. Where did you download did you share the link to download Oracle DB?
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you show me once again?
One, wait, 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 wait.
Yeah. Mhm. Oh, okay, yes.
Oracle. Mhm. This. Okay.
Mm.
So if you are using
So
Windows, your
64
platform
bit,
is Windows
right? Yeah.
64-bit. You can
Yes.
use this link.
Yes.
Windows 32
Mhm.
for this. Windows Linux 64 for this. Okay. You
Can
can
you
suppose you
share
are
this link?
Windows 64.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Mm.
click on
Mm.
download. This download. Select this checkbox. Then this button will appear. Enable and click on this button. It will show login page. So if you are already a have your username and credential of Oracle, so you can specify here username and password. Otherwise, you can create your new account, create account, and register yourself. After that, you can specify the username and password and click on sign in. It will automatically download your Oracle from the internet. Okay, it will provide you zip file. Okay, so please extract that zip file. Then after extraction, you will get this folder, Oracle AXE. Okay. So you can open this folder. So you will get a new folder, new subfolder, Dix1. Please open this folder. And here you will get the setup file. You can click on setup and install Oracle in your system. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
And here
Mhm.
is a link for Oracle.
Mhm.
You can click on this link and you can install Oracle in your system. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay, most welcome.
Okay.
So please try these
Bye.
examples.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
I'm also sharing you this example.
Yes.
Teacher one, I have already shared you. This is sessions 2 files. So please install Oracle in your
Mhm.
system and try to execute these examples. Okay,
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
most
Yeah.
welcome. And actually, Guru School have a uh, channel, so it save the all days recording on their channel.
Mhm. Okay.
So
Oh, I don't know. Okay.
I'm sharing you link. This here you can see this. Okay, day 5 you
Yes,
can see
please.
this. Okay,
So
so here
where on what channel is it shared?
I think you can open this, then you can access the
Yeah.
all records. Okay,
Oh, okay, okay. I'll do that. Okay.
so
Okay. Thank you so much.
okay, most welcome. Yes. Okay, so I think here do you click on this, then you will get the recording of all this. 1 minute.
Okay.
1 minute.
Yeah.
1 minute. I'm checking it.
Yes.
That is. Yeah,
Is that
full
correct?
stack.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, perfect. Okay. I
Okay,
will
yeah,
look
you
at it.
can see
Mhm.
this. Okay.
Oh, day six. Okay. Okay.
So you will get the all records of the days.
Okay. Okay. I will do that.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Most
Good
welcome.
day.
Okay. Good. Thank you.